Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series, and the title of problem: make a person. Fill in the object constructor with the following methods below: get first name, get last name, get full name, set first name, set last name, set full name. Run the tests to see expected output for each method. The methods that takes an argument must accept only one argument, and it has to be a string. These methods must be only available means of interacting with the object. In that case, we will need a variable let full name equal to first and last, and when we call get full name, we will return the full name. Similarly, for first name and last name, we have to do case of first name, we will simply use a split here, which will be a split by a space, and we will use the first element to get the first name, and in this case split and the second element. Now we need to set this dot set full name. Here we will use first and last and save the value in full name first and last. Okay, similarly we will set for first and last name separately. First name, in this case we will have first plus a space plus full name dot split 0, not 0, 1. Second element will be there, and in this case full name dot split 0 plus a space plus last. The last should be passed here in parameter. Okay, let's run the tests. Let's see. Okay, we have problem somewhere. Let first name set full name. Okay, I have not changed here last name. This needed to be changed. I don't think we have another issue with this function constructor. Let's run the tests. Still first name get same mistake here. Last name, let me check. Get full name, it's single. Get first name, get last name, set full name, set first name, and set last name. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.